Hello crafters, welcome back to my channel Avanti Morocha. Today I'll show you how to make stickers using Cricut Joy 2 and the stickers and labels interface on Design Space. Now let's begin. I'm in Design Space on the computer. I have selected Cricut Joy 2. I'm going to click on Create a new project. Here you will find the preset interfaces. The idea behind this is to help users to focus especially on the type of project they wish to create. I personally tend to create my designs on the blank canvas. I will make another video showing you this process. In this case, I will select the stickers and labels interface. When using this interface, any element you add to Canvas automatically become a sticker. Design and print a full sheet of stickers and then trim the sheet in half. Now go to Images. I'll be using some from the Cricut library. To access most of these images, you need to have Cricut access, although you can also find a few free images. To make the stickers more visible, I'll change the color of the canvas in the layer panel. I'm going to add several images to the canvas. To find the free images in the library, go to Filters and select Free. If you don't have the membership, don't worry, you can also upload your own images or designs that you bought online. I'm going to upload and I will be using a sticker I make of my dog. If the images you selected in Design Space are vectors, you can edit the colors of the layers. For example, in this design, I can change the color of the text. Simply select the layer and in the top bar, change the color. Now I will open the sticker menu. Here you will find several customization options related to stickers. You can make Kiss Cat stickers where only the top sticker layer is cut while the backing sheet remains intact. Or die cut stickers where both the sticker and the backing are cut to create individual sticker shapes. When you select the die cut sticker option, automatically the Easy Peel Edge option appears. In my case, I prefer to make stickers without this type of border, so I'm going to deactivate it. You can also modify the thickness of the border. The available options are thin, standard, white, and custom. Also, if you wish, you can choose another background color for your stickers. I also want to show you this image that is part of the Cricut library. It is a PNG image, which means that you cannot modify the colors because it's a rasterized image. However, you still have available all the customization of the stickers menu. Having a border in your stickers is optional. For example, in this sticker, I don't want any border. I have already prepared the stickers that I'm going to print. First, I'll make sure that all are configured as die-cut stickers. It is also possible to combine stickers die-cut and kiss-cut on one sheet, although this is not the most common. Generally, you want the entire sheet to be die-cut or kiss-cut stickers. Click on Make. As you can see, Design Space shows me that I will be using two mats, but I still have space available. I will select two copies at the top to duplicate the designs, although you can also duplicate the pieces in Canvas before this step. There are several ways to do it. As you can see, Design Space automatically organized the project into three mats. The arrangement is created automatically, but you can manually move the pieces to make better use of the available space. To optimize the layout, I'll select these pieces and move them to the first mat. Then I'll move the pieces from the third mat to the second mat. I'll continue rearranging the elements so that they fit between the print margins. And you can see everything now fit perfectly on two mats instead of three. It is very important to make sure that all your designs remain between the printable area and do not overlap with one another. Next, click Send to Printer. Here I will select my printer and choose the number of copies. I'm going to leave the bleed turned on because my designs have color that extends all the way to the edges. I will also enable Use System dialog. This allows me to access my printer settings. In my printer settings, I'll select the rear tray. For the material settings, I'll choose matte photo paper since it's the closest match to the paper I'm using. Now I'll send it to print. I'm using Cricut printable vinyl. This material came with my Cricut Joy 2. This material is very thin so it will work with most printers. I forgot to adjust my printer tray so the print will not be centered, but this is not a problem to make the cut. Trim the sheet in half. Each sheet is labeled with a number. I'm back in design space and now I'll select my material. Since I don't see it in the preset list, I'll click Browse All Materials. Keep in mind that when using the sticker interface in design space, you will only be able to choose Cricut materials that are compatible with your project. The main reason for this is that Cricut can only guarantee settings that have been tested with their own materials. If you are using a different brand of sticker paper, choose a Cricut material that most closely matches the material you are using. You can also create a custom material setting, but this option is only available when you are working from a blank canvas and not through preset interfaces. As a material, I will choose printable vinyl white with the green liner printing. If you are making die-cut stickers, you only see the settings for die-cut stickers, unless you are making die-cut stickers with the easy peel border. If that is the case, you will also see the settings for Kiskat stickers. For this project, I will choose the default settings. Send it to cut. The light in the Cricut Joy 2 blinking tells me that the machine is ready to be loaded. Place the sheet number 1 on the machine mat and load it into your Cricut Joy 2. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The process to cut these stickers took about 3 minutes. While I love that Cricut Joy 2 includes the print and cut feature, if you are a crafter who plans to make stickers regularly, I will recommend looking at one of the larger Cricut machines such as Cricut Joy Extra, Cricut Explorer, or Cricut Maker. Before removing the mat from the machine, I like to check if the cut went through. Now that I see that the cut is perfect, I'm going to remove the mat. The stickers turn out fantastic. Now I want to show you something that is especially helpful for people who are new to the print and cut feature. What you see here is not a print error, it is the print bleed. This helps ensure there are no unwanted white borders around the stickers after they are cut. I will repeat the same steps with the second sheet. Now I'm going to show you how to make Kiskat stickers. I already prepared both sticker sheets. I use editable name stickers from the Cricut library and simply change the text, font, and size. You can also open the sticker menu and customize the sticker as you want. Before sending the project to cut, I'll make sure all of my stickers are set as KidsCat stickers. Also, I'm going to attach each column. Click on Make. If you want to manually move your stickers around the preview, don't attach them. For experience, I know that 10 of these stickers will fit perfectly on the mat, which is why I attach them. Continue and send it to the printer. I'm going to select my printer. Since these are KidsCat stickers with a white border, I'm going to turn off the bleed and enable Use System dialog. I'm going to use the same printer settings as before since I'm using the same material. Cricut recommends using an inkjet printer for print and cut projects. If you are looking for a printer recommendation, be sure to check my video which printer should I use with Cricut. Just like before, I'll cut the sheet along the dashed line. Keep in mind that each piece is numbered. Place number 1 on the mat. I'm back on Design Space and I will select the material. Click on Browse All Materials. Again, I want to remind you that when you are using the sticker interface in Design Space, you will only see Cricut branded materials with the exception of copy paper. I will select the same material as before. Here you can see the Cricut settings for experience. When using this material, I will reduce the pressure. Now I will load the material. Now that I see the light is blinking, I'm going to load the mat. The cutting process for these stickers took 1 minute and 10 seconds. Remember that with KissCut stickers, only the top layer of the sticker paper is cut, which means the backing sheet remains intact. Finally, I will cut the second sheet using the same settings. Now I'm going to trim away the registration marks. This step is completely optional, but I think the sticker should look cleaner without them. And here are the final results. I hope you like this video and find it informative. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And that's all for today. See you in the following video. Ciao, ciao.